You searched how to buy shares of Banco Macro S A. Banco Macro is a commercial bank serving retail and corporate clients in Argentina. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker BMA, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. You need a broker to trade, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After you register, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds to buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BMA to find Banco Macro S A. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches to make sure it is the correct stock. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart. Check the listing details and company summary to confirm this is the Banco Macro S A stock. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order before execution. If the market is closed, your order may stay pending. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. The eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown here.